Hello, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Moosend Action Automation for Workflows. Once you're in your account, and get to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Once you're done installing your app, refresh your tab and head down to the custom page, click on it, and the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation. We have the tutorials. Here you're going to see some necessary videos that is going to help you on how to complete your app setup. We have the setup feature. Here the app has been connected. Let's walk you through how to connect your app. Head to the account we've created online. Click on the plus icon on the plus menu. Then you click on select and you click on the API key. Copy your API key, head to your account, click on start setup and you paste. Then click on complete setup. Boom, and your app will be completely set up and connected. We have the support feature where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for our support team. We have the change log where you're going to see all the necessary new updates and changes made on this app. And to receive emails, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and you click on subscribe. Now you've learned how to install and set up your support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.